It is the same route, that is the head, which the spirit uses anytime we go out of the body consciously, what we may call positive initiation. The same route, the head, the Golgotha. The main point is that during sleep and initiation, the silver cord is never broken. It remains, or they remain, connected to the material and spiritual bodies of the living, unlike death. To make it clearer, let us look at the following: the difference between sleep and death. During sleep, the spirit leaves the body through the head, just as in death. The spirit withdraws with the higher vehicles, the desire body and the mind. The withdrawal is via the head, and it is the same during death. Ordinarily, the spirit does not live with the vital body during sleep. During sleep, often the vital body remains with the body. In case the vital body should leave the spirit, that will be death. This vital body interpenetrates the physical body during sleep, and in waking hours, the vital body interpenetrates the physical body when we are asleep or when we are moving about. Unlike after death, where the vital body does not interpenetrate the body any longer, but hangs over the dead body. The silver cord or the seed atom is not broken during sleep, unlike in death. Retrospection of the day's activities goes with sleep, while review of life records without any feelings attached takes place at death. That is the difference. In the daytime, when we go through our day's activities and we are about to sleep and we do retrospection, it is about the day's activities. That goes with sleep. Unlike death, during death, the retrospection is about a whole life's activities, no more a day's activities. The spirit can re-enter the body during sleep, but at death, it can never re-enter the body. Death is important for the spirit. For the spirit, it is death that is most important. And for sleep, it is most important for the physical body. Sleep is a rest period for the spirit to recharge the tired physical body. Death is a time of rest and recuperation so that the spirit may draw from earthly experiences for greater soul power. The spirit has now reached a period on the path of evolution where it must take time for the assimilation of the lessons of life. And these lessons the spirit learns while functioning in the world of matter, the physical world. Prior to departure of the spirit, before the spirit eventually leaves the body, the heart stops beating because there is a rupture of the seed atom, which is linked to the silver cord in the heart. So the seed atom and the silver cord are linked. Before the spirit leaves the body, the first thing that happens is for the heart to stop beating because there is a rupture, there is a break in the seed atom. In Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 6 and 7, we read, "Or ever the silver cord be loosed, or the golden bowl be broken, or the pitcher be broken at the fountain, or the wheel broken at the cistern, then shall the dust return to the earth as it was, and the spirit shall return unto God who gave it." Here we have the silver cord mentioned in the Bible. Instead of the vital body remaining with the physical body as is the case during sleep, at death, the vital body also leaves the physical body, together with the desire and the mental bodies. For the spirit's work in the physical world with this physical body has come to an end. The vital body has a different work to do. It is no longer called upon to keep these physical atoms in health, so it leaves. The spirit, which is leaving its earthly prison, takes with it its most cherished belonging. The most cherished belonging of the spirit is the seed atom, the only part of the physical which cannot die, and which it brings back with it at each earth life. The seed atom is most important. This permanent seed atom has been used as a nucleus for a physical body ever since the spirit possessed a physical vehicle. The Bible refers to this seed atom in Revelation chapter 20 verse 12. And we read, "And I saw the dead, small and great, stand before God, and the books were opened. And another book was opened, which is the book of life. And the dead were judged out of those things which were written in the books according to their works." The seed atom is described as books in the Bible.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.